Snow, rain, freezing rain, even gusty winds, all possible in central Indiana this weekend.
Yeah, but as Storm Track 8 meteorologist Tara Hastings tells us, just because we may see a lot of snow doesn't mean it will actually be a blizzard, Tara.
Yeah, we need a couple of things before we can solidify a storm as a blizzard. We need some gusty winds, and we also need low visibility. So here's the blizzard criteria: sustained or frequent wind gusts of at least 35 miles per hour or greater. And we need to see considerable falling or blowing and drifting of snow, reducing visibility at least to about 1/4 of a mile or less. And this has to happen, these two things, for at least 3 hours or more. And I want to take you back to the last time Indianapolis had a blizzard warning issued. That was on December 26th. Remember this? Right after Christmas in 2012. It included most of central Indiana. Much of the area got about 8 to 12 inches of snow. We have those winds gusting, though, at 40 miles per hour. So again, it really doesn't matter how much snow has fallen, but it really takes into account gusty winds and low visibility. So let's take a look at the winds. This is Saturday morning at 8. We're going to see those winds out of the east gusting at times close to 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the winds increase even more during the afternoon on Saturday out of the north and northeast. Could gust at times close to that 35 mile per hour mark here during the evening on Saturday. And the winds will still stay pretty gusty throughout the day on Sunday. Of course, we're going to continue to track this storm as we head into the weekend throughout the next couple of days.
All right, thanks so much, Tara.